When you reach like this, you want to check the forecast. Every day's gonna rain. Yeah, but a breakthrough brick and whoop up shit. That's pure cocaine. Oh, pure cocaine. Arr. When you rich like this, you want to check the forecast. Every day's gonna rain. Yeah, but a breakthrough brick can whoop up shit. That's pure cocaine. Yeah. Let's get started. Yeah. Oh, bro, I've been fuck. Um, Aquafina. I'm a real street. How did you trade today? I did not trade today. I did not trade today. Because, bro, I genuinely don't have a strategy. I don't have a strategy, bro. And I'm cooked. I'm literally cooked. How much your signal? Bro, I don't sell signals. I sell personality. Personality. Bro, I'm trying to... I've been trading for about maybe 3 years now. Discord's in the bio. The mentorship's doing good. It's just like stuff I already knew, but he's just kind of like digesting it down more towards the bottom where like I could potentially like use some more work on. Hello, unemployed trader news. What's up, my I'm a real street. All right, let's get started. Honestly, I don't really have a strategy anymore. Honestly, because like, I was backtesting literally all day yesterday, and like, bro, I just completely sucked. So let's get started. Yeah. So basically, going to the day here, I'm pretty much bearish bias going into the day. We closed below this low here, but we did just sweep out this low in this daily fair value gap here. So now, I want to see longs, but go to the 4-hour time chart. London lows was taken out, right? London lows was taken out. So, I would like to see longs form here. 4-hour power 3 aligned with the New York session reversal, some sauce right there. No, that's what I do, bro. Like, that's what I do. But it's like, I don't even know, bro. I'm looking for longs, by the way. Aquafina. Alright, we're long here. I'm a real street. So, like, I kind of trade turtle soups, right? And I'm kind of trading, like, the second candle. So, basically, this is my range on the 15-minute time chart. We soup out this low. We create SMT divergence at these lows here. And I usually like to target... This is like a trick, right? Where, like, if you, go here... Like, if you're turtle souping, you want to have like a 3R, right? You want to mark out the drawn liquidity, and then you want to mark out yeah. So just 3R, And I know my stop loss is random, like considered random, but it's like 3R, right? And plus we're on 15-minute gap here. They say it's a pie, but I think that see, like we're turtle souping this slow, right? And how did I know that? It's because we had SMT, divergence, all this stuff. We're in a discount. We're in a 15-minute fair value gap, and I'm bullish bias also. So like, and then like what you want to do is like target like 50% mark of the range of this candle's range. If we tap this 50% mark, I'll go ahead and like trim. Okay, perfect. All right, perfect. So you don't be without me. She told me if I need a weekend. And then last target is this high. She just F for locals. I can get with those. She won't give me those. I feel like I'm close. Bro, see like that trade, like I just have to be more consistent with it, bro. Like, see how like the analyzation was there? Like I bought at this low right here. 3R is like a trick. She don't do this often. She said it's only because me. Yeah, I would have been done for the day. She just wanna party, and nothing's wrong with that. Every time I'm calling, she say she gonna call me back. I'll tell her call me Rocky. She say she not gonna call me that. All right, I'm looking for longs, cause like look at this. We sweep out previous daily candles low, and this is basically our CRT range, right? Same thing here, CRT. So we should anticipate higher prices. You have to do drugs too. And then look at the daily profile. They say you're too piped up, but I think that I love you. Little mama party girl, she just wanna fun. Like I felt like I got lucky there because like I want to be more consistent. I need to be more consistent. That's all that is. That's the problem. Yo, how's the mentorship with Johnny going? It's going good. He's just like he's just diving in a bit more of what I need to do better is all. Yo, bro, I'm trying to do TikTok live trading, but keep getting visibility restrictions. Any help, bro? Try to say no, not financial advice. Bro, what happened to Johnny Mentor? He's still in. He still is. Johnny right now, but it's like kind of on and off, to be honest with you. It's cause I'm not putting in effort. I am, but I'm not. It's weird. I don't know, cause like I don't know. All right, so right here, I'm anticipating this low to be the real low of day. So I want to see higher prices here. So they go on the 15-minute. Let's see. When I get inside of my mind, I don't lose my time thinking about the times we had, thinking about the time we spent. I want to see longs form. Send people to the shit. People upon the shit. Let's look at treaty opening. Where's it at? To even thinking about this shit. Take up in this bitch. Alright, I will long here. And like right here, the reason why I'm longing because this is if this is our CRT low, then boom, CRT low. I want to see price reject off of this, and we have SMT, but we also have an order block right here also that we're tapping into. So that's why I'm longing here, and we have SMT at the lows. So let's see how this plays out. And plus, we're in a discount of the daily candle, so I would like to see higher prices here. Can't count the tears I cry, so many sleepless nights. Okay, wow, stopped. Your CRT needs to be in a PD array, higher time for order flows. Oh, okay, I see. You're in the gym, bro? I've been hitting the gym. It's just like, I haven't gone really hard in a while. It's so hard to say goodbye. Let's see what happens here. Thinking about the times we had, thinking about the time we spent. We are in this rejection block here. And we have, let's see what happens. Tell me why. It's like my turtle soups are so like random, bro. I'm not gonna lie. They're so random. I don't lose my time thinking about the time we had, thinking about the time we spent. Tell me, alright, I'm logging this because if this is, I want to see this to be my CRT low. We're tapping this fair value gap and swept out this liquidity level, and let's see what happens. And then I want to target like 50% mark of this candle here. Alright, so now since we just CRT'd this low on 15-minute time chart, I want to see like, I mean 50% mark has been hit here, but I'm going to go ahead and move my stop loss up a bit to this low. We should have come back down to this low if this is our TRT range. Alright, I want to see price come up here, take this, take out this. R is not that great, but once we get into this gap here, or equilibrium of this gap, I'll go break even. Okay, or fucking not, bro. Fuck. Damn it. Bro, my bias was just wrong, bro. Bro, like, you don't know the low. Like, baby, I know the low. No, I'm like, baby, I know I'm wrong, but that's just how life goes. I don't journal. Like, the trend, like, the trend is bearish. It is bearish here. No, I'm like, baby, I know I'm wrong, but that's just how life goes. Alright. But the thing is, we're in a major discount right now. We're in a major discount. But the trend, so like let's say the trend is bearish, right? But we're below discount. Like, what are we doing? I don't like that. Get another low. Let's give this short here a try. Because we're in a premium right now. We're in a 15-minute fair value gap. We just CRT'd this high. So I would like to see price like tap 50% mark of this range. Okay, so we tap 50% mark of this range. I can go ahead and trim and then stop loss to break even and like target like this CRT low. Alright, there we go. Bro, the thing, like, bro, this is like, like, I feel like I'm getting lucky though. Like, I'm just getting lucky. Trade the logic, not the pattern. Yeah, no, it's like CRT basically is a pattern, bro. Would you rather be 6'4" or have F2 of 200k funded account right now? I'd rather be 6 foot. If you believe your strat, why do you think it's luck? It's just like my stop loss is random. Technically, it's random, right? Because like what I'm doing is I'll enter, right, and then wherever the drawn liquidity is, I'll just make sure the stop loss matches to like 3R, like this, for example. And then my stop loss is pretty much random. It's not a protected high. It's not a protected low. It's just like there. You know what I mean? So it's like right here. I didn't even mean to put it at this high, but it matches perfectly with this high. Like what I saw was, okay, I'm entering here. Target's here, right? So 3R, and my stop loss is basically random. That's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like it's just luck. I'm in this bitchy TV. I'm in that bitch for trade. Hey. 500 racks in my safe. 500 racks in the plug. What you know about showing love? What you know about pulling up? Bitches be falling in love. Niggas gone broke. Yeah, no, I want to like collect as much data as I can, like this session here. Especially when I'm an old bitch, we ain't gonna fall about hoes. Bro, I be saying it regardless. I don't need no pass. Whoa, pause, chill. Wait for some confirmation entries on the lower time frame. Dude, the thing is like fucking, what is it? Like, there's no, like, turtle soup is no confirmation. Like, you can, it is, but I don't know. You focus on daily, weekly expansions, perhaps. Like, just like Wednesdays and Thursdays. But so far, I'm doing good, but I feel like it's just getting lucky, bro. Whoa. Like, right here. Like, the trend is bearish, right? The trend is bearish. So I want to be looking for shorts. And where is the opening price? The true day opening? Right here, right? So we're in a premium, right? So now I can look for like a CRT type shit. Regardless. But I want to see NQ tap it though. Like right here, for example, right here. We CRT this high, right? CRT this high. We're in a 15-minute gap. We're above the opening price, right? We're above the opening price. We have S&T divergence. So like right here, I could short this and then look at, because if this is my CRT, I'm trading the second candle, right? So like right here, this is my target, and then I can like just go 3R here. And see how like what I mean is like my stop loss is basically random. It's just like here. But it's like, that's like a trick. That's like a trick. Bro, someone gave me the Powell course for free, and I have it. I just don't like, just watching his videos just kind of like are boring. Low key. It's not random. It's not a random ass buy or sell. It's like there's a logic to it, right? Let's see what happens. See, like right here, like I bought it at the perfect time. It's like I bought it at the perfect time, knowing like if all of those confluences added up, and then like I'll go ahead and target 50% mark of the range, because 50% mark is more than likely guaranteed. Like right here, boom, 50% mark, and then like I caught the literally fucking top, right? 46 points, trim like half, break even here, and then like look to target this low. Like, and that hits. It's like I don't know, like I feel like I'm getting lucky, but it's like I don't know, bro. Like, see how I caught the very top here? You bathe the night. You know my wife. I'm not again. What's the clock all night? Fuck on the night. Because you're going on a losing streak and winning streaks, perhaps. Yeah, no. This lesson, I want to just like digest, like fucking trying to like collecting data, type shit. Like right here, I would have caught this and just called it a day. Next day. Tell you once, I'll tell you twice. Bearish is the bias. The daily chart is bearish, right? Wait, what time frame do you guys look for? What time frame do you guys look for, like your daily bias? Like right here, bearish, right? We have bearish order flow, so I'm more likely than bearish here. Am I confident in your body? Bro. 4 hour, 1 hour? Perhaps. Like, I think I like the daily better. Like, I'll just look for, if I'll be like, okay, look, do we have a daily fair value gap? What is the most recent fair value gap? A daily one, right? I don't really care about the left side right now. Like, the current order flow is bearish, so I want to be looking for shorts, right? and then I'll mark out the midnight opening and be like, okay, look, right now we're in a discount. It's either we wait for price to come back up, or we trade like the reversal trend here. So now we're in a discount here, right? So I want to be able to like, oh wait, this is the wrong day. All right, right here. So look at the trend. The trend is bearish. We have bearish order flow, right? So I want to be looking for shorts, and then go here, mark out the midnight opening, right? And right now we're in a premium, right? Let's go on the 15-minute time chart. I want to see how this candle plays out, right? Look at that. We tap this, sweep, but I'm not gonna enter shorts just yet. Shorts here could work, but I wouldn't feel comfortable with it. All right, so right here, this is my CRT range, right? So depending if we sweep a high here, so we sweep the high, right? And we're most likely in a higher time frame PDA right here, the 4-hour right here. We're in a premium. We have SMT at the highs. I can go ahead and short this. Just got some top from the strip it. And target and just do 3R here. So we're in the shorts. So boom, right? We're in the shorts here, kind of turtle swooping this, right? And if you look here, just AMD accumulation manipulation, right? And then look to target 50% mark of this range. Just got some top. Who knows? This might fail. Okay, boom. Look at this. We caught the top, right? We caught the top, and we knew exactly. Like I said, 3R is just like a thumb of rule, right? So it's like boom, break even, take profits, break even. Look to target this low. Okay, there we go. And looks what? This CRT range was fulfilled. Like, bro, it's like, I'm like, what are you trying to do? Like caught the top here, right? And it's like, I feel like I'm getting lucky, bro, every single fucking time. And it's like, just met your hoe, met it at the stove. You know how it go. How are you making money? Honestly, through like social media and affiliates. Seth Trades, what's up, my brother? Just got top from. Alright, yo, chill. Shine in the analytics. Alright, I'll show real quick. Honestly, I'm only showing it because I'm doing good right now, low key. Do active futures have an account without activation fee? Only if you use the only if you choose the advanced accounts. All of June, there's no activation fees. Like right here, 66% win rate, risk toward 2. We're up, but I feel like I'm getting lucky. So let's keep going. What you finna do? I'm not profitable now. Why'd you spell liquidity wrong? LIQUIDITY. Job? Oh, dude, I thought about working at McDonald's again. I think it'd be a crazy plot if I did. A crazy plot. A crazy plot if I did work at McDonald's again. I'm strip a bit. Do you live alone? No, I do not. I want to go back to Thailand though. I want to go back to Thailand this year again, and like really lock in. What happened to the gym, Unk? Bro, I still hit the gym, bro. I just feel like shit today, honestly. Q, you are married to trading ICT, or are you flexible of different ways of trading? Like, I just feel like I've done ICT for so long. So it's like, it's so hard to like move away. It's like ICT concepts is like my girlfriend. Like, I just can't forget it. You know what I mean? It's just there. Do you trade options? I do not trade options. Your name on all these platforms have no third eye. Liquidity. LIQUIDITY. Perhaps. Like right here, for example. So right here, looking at the trend here, right? The trend on the daily is bearish, right? It's bearish. But I do see that we're tapping this weekly fair value gap here, by the way. So the trend is bearish on the daily, right? So then I go on the hourly and I'm like, okay, look, I want to see shorts here form, right? So I mark out the opening price. So obviously we're in a deep premium, right? We're in a deep premium. So I want to see shorts. Let's go on the 15-minute time chart. Let's wait for the first 15-minute candle to play out. Alright, so now I'm going here. Let's see. We're in this hourly fair value gap here. Still think about you. Alright, so right now I'm looking for shorts, right? This is my CRT range. So we take out this high, but we have no SMT. So right now I'm not taking shorts here. There needs to be SMT, or else I'm not taking it. Girl, I'll still think about you. Like right here, we're just pushing up towards the upside here. I wouldn't take this, no. Like right here, I wouldn't mind taking shorts here, right? We have SMT here. A sweep. We're in a daily fair value gap here. And an hourly fair value gap up here. That's been unmitigated, right? So like right here, shorts here don't look bad. So I would go ahead, short position here. And where's my draw on liquidity? Where is my draw on liquidity, right? Still think about you. This low. If I'm expecting this to be my CRT range, this is my low. And then I would like to just go 3R here. So it's like slightly above here. Let's see what happens. I still think about you. Oh my gosh, bro. That's how you fucking catch tops and bottoms, bro. Trim half. Stop loss to break even. Oh, bro. That's literally how you catch tops and bottoms, bro. CRT and SMT. Look at that. I entered at the perfect fucking timing. Stop loss here. Boom. Like, bro. I feel like I'm getting lucky, bro. That's all that is. This is basically CRT, but like just capturing the second candle. Yeah, about you. Girl, I still think about you. Next day. Guys, I'm actually, believe it or not, I'm going to Pennsylvania for this girl. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Catfish? Nah, she's not catfish. It would be a crazy story. She's the girl that has like the fucked up eye. How much did you pay her, bro? Chill. Bro, come to UK. I can hit you with a baddie. Not for real. The win rate right now is low-key high as fuck. It's 71% win rate. And like RR of like 2.5. That's good as fuck, actually. For like how many trades? How do I check? 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 7 trades. 7 trades, 2.5 R, 70% win rate. It's not terrible. I trim. Look back at it. She never do a sport. She good at it. Says she never made love, but she good at it. She make it feel good when I look at it. I get goose. Why use code Q for 10% when I can use code futures for 50% off? Because you're gonna be supporting an unprofitable day trader like me. Nah. No, because the thing is like the range, the full range is never guaranteed. That's why I take profits at 50% mark. I am funded. I ain't promoting. All of my friends are nutty. Alright, so far the trend is still bearish, right? This fair value gap here hasn't been created just yet, right? So I'm still bearish here. So then I go in the hourly, I mark out the midnight opening. So if I'm bearish, I want to see price like just give me something, right? So right now this is my next, this is my CRT high and low, right? So now let's go here. Okay, we have SMT at the highs right now, but I want to see NQ sweep first. Okay, boom. Look back at it. She never does well, but she good at it. Says she never made love, but she... Okay, so we're in a daily fair value gap here. We're in a daily fair value gap here. We have SMT at the highs. We're in a premium. We just sweep out the CRT high. So now, I want to see price action. Guys, that girl that you guys, that I just showed you, she's FaceTiming now. Hold up. She's FaceTiming. Yo, what up, shorty? What? Yeah, no, hold on. I'm streaming right now, but like I showed them a picture of you, and they said that you were catfishing me. So like, can I put you on the camera really quick?
Bitch, why are you showing me the TikTok?
Because they think you're beautiful.
No.
Wait, can I show you? Can I show them or not? Someone said I'm FaceTime.
Comments again. What?
Someone says I'm showing my sister. It's not my sister.
I'm white.
Yeah, she's white as a fucking pillow. Here, I'll show you. I'll show her. All right, can I show them really quick or not? Don't worry. You look.
It doesn't look like I have a fucking shirt on right now.
No, it's okay. You look good. You look good.
Okay, thanks.
All right. Okay. Hold up. Let me show them real quick. Hold up. So wait. Wait. Hold up. Put like show them like hold up 4 fingers really quick. Okay. See. There we go. See you guys. Like she's not fake. They were saying like pre-catfish type shit.
Pre-catfish?
Yeah, because I showed them that picture that you just showed me.
What picture?
On Snap.
Oh.
Someone said, "Damn, she fire." I told you, you're not an ugly.
I know I'm not ugly, stupid.
Alright, perhaps. Alright. I'll talk to you later, okay? I gotta do stuff.
Why'd you call me in the first place?
Because bro, you called me 2 times this morning. Twice.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Don't play like that.
Oh, it's because I took my pharmacy test.
Oh, okay. I'll hear all about it when I'm done. Okay. All right. Goodbye.
Bye.
See, I told you. I told you. Told you. Da 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 da. Yeah, got a new band that they promoted. All of my friends up, money loaded. Da 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 da. Can I come by? Boom! Alright, look at that. We turtle soup this high, right? Boom. Beautiful. Taps 50% mark of this candle range, right? Boom. Trim. Half. Go break even. And look to target this range low. Boom! Said she never made love, but she good at it. I was unknown with your game, twin. Perhaps. Perhaps. She looks so much better on video. Perhaps. Yeah, no, she's pretty, bro. I'm not gonna lie. She's very pretty. And are you live on YouTube too? Yes, I am. Do you only look at the 15-minute? Yeah, pretty much, bro. How do you use trading view like that when backtesting? This is FX replay. How much you paying for the mentorship? I think I dropped like 1,000. Who is pretty? It's the girl that I just FaceTimed. Like she's honestly like not bad looking. She's really pretty. Here, I'll show you really quick. She looks like a little baby, but like, hold up. Maybe I'm driving me crazy. Maybe it's me and it's not. She is pretty. Yeah, she is pretty, bro. I fucked up. Well, yeah. That's not how you use CRT. No, CRT is basically I'm just capturing the second candle. I'm just capturing the second current candle. Mr. Chop got a girl, bro. Chill. She got me blushing. That's crazy. Maybe it's me and it's not. Nah, long this shit. Nah. I can't. I'll do enough for the day. Turtle Soup King. How y'all meet? Y'all bump into her and books fell over? Nah. She's actually like trying to become like a doctor or some shit. She's too good looking for you? Perhaps. No, but we actually met on Snap. We met on Snap, bro. All right, so right here, and we've been friends for like so long. Can you put me on game, bro? Perhaps. I'll show you, bro. It's easy, bro. Alright, so right now, I'm bullish bias. And the reason why I'm bullish is because the most recent fair value gap is a bullish fair value gap. Yes, we might run this, but at the same time, it's still the bullish fair value gap, right? So, boom. I'm looking for longs, right? So now go on the hourly time chart. Look here. Mark at the opening price, the midnight opening. Boom. So now, what are we looking for? I'm waiting for the first 15-minute candle to play out first. So now, this is my CRT range, right? So if we come down, take out this low, then I want to see SMT, and then higher prices. So right now, I'm just not trading. I'm waiting. So right here, we have this, right? We have a CRT, we have SMT, but there's not really any higher time frame PD arrays, except for like this 4-hour fair value gap, and like potentially like the CE wick here, right? Which could act as a PD array. So right now, longs are kind of iffy for me, but like I wouldn't be risking a lot if I did trade here, right? I would go here, and then I would target this, and then like 3R. I would be only risking like 11 points, and then like I would honestly target like this 50% mark here. Like right here, it's not a bad trade. Like right here, it's still like a 1R type shit. But let's see what happens. I'll go ahead and place a buy limit here. Okay, boom, beautiful, right? So look at that. We entered off this candle here, and then boom, pushes up towards the upside, right? So right now, what I can do is like go potentially break even here and just look to target this high. Oh my god, and we tap it too. Oh my gosh. That's how we fucking do it. Better you know we. Yeah, this is my own model, bro. I honestly, I was just backtesting, and then I figured out that's like happening every single time. Like today, bro would have been a fucking crazy ass day. Like I would have banked off today, bro. Like today, for example, if I'll show you guys really quick. Like for today, for example, like the bias is bearish right here, right? The daily candle, we have bearish fair value gap here, right? But honestly, I was low-key longs. But let's see what happens. Let me pull out ES real quick. Like today would have been a crazy ass day, bro. Hold on, let me pull it up real quick. Bro, what the fuck? I said, but you better show me. OG. I think you show me. And back to my old shit. Put it in motion. So wet. Feel like the ocean. Can be back on me, yeah. Like today would have been a crazy day for shorts. But I was low-key longs, by the way. But for example, I like this first 15-minute candle play out, right? So now I'm looking for shorts, right? No, I genuinely was looking for longs this day. I was looking for longs for some reason, and like, oh, what's happening, bro? Bro, hold up, bro. I just want to see if... What is happening, bro? Alright, bro, I give up. Yeah, no, I feel like I was low-key longs today, to be honest with you, but yeah, see how like we would have caught this fucking bottom right here? And then like my stop loss was like here somewhere. It's just like my stop loss is so random though. That's the only problem. Let me get water real quick. Okay, the thing is, like, I'm going to Pennsylvania just for her for a week. Stress is good. We don't see them. Perhaps that could be the case. All right, let's go again. Going to the daily time chart. This bullish fair, I'm bullish, right? The most recent fair value gap is bullish, so I'm looking for longs, right? So now I mark out the midnight open, or I mark out the midnight opening. We're in a deep discount, right? So I want to see longs form here. So I'll let the first 15-minute candle play. All right, so now this is my range. This is my CRT range. This high and this low. So let's see what happens here. I want to see price sweep the low first. So no, we don't sweep the low. We're chilling. We're waiting. You know what I do? Right now we're chilling. We're in a premium right now. My bias is bear. My bias is bullish though. Right now we just wait. Get you up, perhaps I could have looked for shorts here, but higher time from order flow is bullish, so I don't know why we look for shorts here. But yeah, shorts could have played out here. Okay, I just messed up. I just missed it. It's all good. Next day. I'm 20. I'm about to be 21 on the 8th. Bro, my birthday is in like 6 days. Or like 7 days. 7 days. My birthday's in like 7 days, bro. Rosu Gullible. Perhaps. Are you still funded? I am still funded. Alright, so right now I'm bullish still, right? I'm bullish. I'm looking for longs. I'm bullish, but let's go here and mark at the midnight opening. Steady calling my phone. I told you before that it's over. Meet me now. See me on. See me on. This is my range right here. This high, or this high and this low. Go hold that. Get you up, man. Look at that. We're tapping this 4-hour fair value gap here also. We tap the 4-hour fair value gap, drop down to the hourly. Okay, we're tapping the 4-hour fair value gap. We have SMT at the lows. We have a turtle soup. I could look to long here. And then target is like this high. Technically, right? And then like target, and then have a 3R stop loss. Boom. Market order. And then where's my overall? Because right now we're in a discount. I'm bullish bias. We're in a discount. We're tapping this 4-hour fair value gap. We have a CRT low here. We're capturing the total soup of this low. SMT. Yeah, SMT at the lows. And then I'm looking to target like 50% mark of this range. That's my dog. That's my dog. That's my dog. That's my dog. All right, boom. So perfect, right? We tapped 50%. Look where we fucking bought. 50%. Not 50. We bought literally at the low, right? Barely any drawdown. Targeting 50% mark of this range. I can go ahead and trim one off, go break even, and let the rest run to this high. Because like I said, this high is not guaranteed, right? But 50% mark is. Not guaranteed, but it's more than likely guaranteed. This fair value gap is holding pretty well right here. Okay, so we get stopped out of break even here. All right, so we get stopped out of break even. We were able to secure like 50 points, which is a lot still, right? And like this trading, we didn't even have any SMT at the highs either. So I just decided to just hold it. But we ended up just going lower, which is fine next day, right? That's my dog. Bro trades. It's not. I honestly, I don't even know. I'm kind of just going what I've seen, and it's working pretty well. And I watched like one Romeo video and it was boring as fuck, to be honest with you. But would you have been there for 5 hours? Probably not, to be honest with you. Yeah, 5 hours? Hell no. Well, I think is I don't know. I don't know because like, but it's like I don't know because like if I'm break even and I've already secured profits, I might as well be in there. You know what I mean? Is Johnny? Is this what Johnny's teaching you? No, he's not teaching me this. I kind of just like found it on my own type shit. Do you have a model written down tracking its consistency? No, I don't have it written down. It kind of it's just in my brain, bro. Let's go here again. I'm bullish bias, but we're also reacting off to this weekly fair value gap here also, right? So I'm bullish bias. So let's go. What happens? That's my dog. That's my dog. That's my dog. That's my dog. Me and my dog. Me and my dog. So I'm bullish, right? And we're in a discount here. So I want to see longs form here. So I'll let the first 15-minute candle play. So right now, let's see what happens. This is my CRT range. I want to see price sweep the low here. Okay, so now we end up taking out the high. And we're still in a discount. So I'm chilling. I'm not waiting. I'm not doing anything. I'm just waiting. This is my next CRT high. Or low and high. If I'm bullish, I want to see lows get swept, right? So look at this. We end up sweeping the low. But at the same time, we have no SMT. So right now, I just want to take it. Wouldn't take it still. Now we have SMT here, right? We sweep. This could be our CRT candle, right? But at the same time, we don't have any higher time frame PD arrays to support this long move. So am I going to long this? Most likely not, right? Most likely not. So the model is here. I just don't want to long this because we don't have any higher time frame PD arrays like a fair value gap supporting us higher. So I'm not gonna long this, even though if it works. Like it's working right now, right? It fucking worked, right? You would have literally longed down here, and then like targeted 50% mark of this range. This would have been it, and 3R. Yeah, like it would have worked, right? You would have won this trade, but I just didn't like it. So now we just keep waiting. We were meant to be. Good love is suicide. I wouldn't take this. No, like I said, I wouldn't touch anything in this range. I'm sipping in a Z. I'm sipping in a Z. I don't wanna lose my conscience drinking on his Hennessy. Baby, you took control from me and I got too many enemies. I knew you wanted the on my back, yeah, I'm in my back. You did me back, and I said fuck it, and I ran it on my back, yeah. I'm in my back, I'm in my bag now, but you didn't even put it on the line for me. I'm sorry, this is the end of us. It's crazy, cause my heart is dangerous. Felt like you took my soul from me. I don't like this. To beg on me. You taught a lesson. Yeah, I just would have been done trading for the day, bro. This just looks like bearish. I mean, that's fine. Bearish, right? It's all good. Next day. You said I love you and I wish I never did. What? I swear to God. I swear to you, stupid. I thought that we were meant to be. You took my heart and made it bleed. Let's see what happens. That lipstick on my Hennessy felt like you took my soul from me. Gave you all my egg. So right now we're tapping into this weekly fair value gap right here, right? And structure is bearish on the 4-hour time chart, right? But the daily is still, we still have a bullish fair value gap right here holding, right? So it's like, mentally I can't believe. Ooh, I'm sipping in a Z. Ooh. So what would your guys' bias be here? What would your bias be here? Would you be down to join a trader house in Thailand? Yeah, of course, bro. That would be lit. What would your guys' bias here be? Like, I don't really need to draw liquidity. I just need to have a certain bias and just trade that. And I'm so sorry because you let our bridges burn. Go on the far. Like right here, I know that we tapped the 4-hour fair value gap recently, right? And the 4-hour trend is bearish. So shorts here may look nice. So shorts here could look nice. So let's look for shorts here. Right now we're in a discount. Wow. How to read comments. Alright, so right here, my trading model was not here. It was not here, right? Because we were still in discount. Perhaps we could have looked for longs. But at the same time, I don't want a counter trend at all. Do this all the time, and then survive. Every other moving getting made. Drip too hard, I stand too close. You go fuck around dry. Off this wave, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, cause I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. She gets way, do this all the time, and it survives. Every other night, another movie getting made. Every other night, another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. Like, honestly, you could have longed this. Obviously, in hindsight, right? It's all this is in hindsight. Drip too hard. Drip too hard. I just want to see what could have happened. Could have longed this, and then like targeted this high, which was the CRT, and then like targeted 50% mark of this, and it would have hit. It would have hit. Most likely. Yeah, it would have hit. You could have like longed here. It would have went up, tapped 50% mark, and then it just dumps. But you would have been break even here. But it's I guess it's cope, like sure, but drip too hard, I stand too close. If I go around dry, hop this wave. Alright, let's see what happens here. We don't have a daily PD array, right? And let's see what happens. Daily, we're still bullish here, type shit. Let's look here, actually. I just don't like this big wick here. So going to the day, I mean, shoot. We have no bottom wick either. So this could be a likely draw on liquidity. Let's see what happens. We're in a premium also. Just because we don't have a bottom wick here, I would look for shorts. So I'll let the first 15-minute candle play out. Alright, so we come down. Hey boys, to the 60s in my bag. This is my CRT high and low. Well, we end up taking out this low here, but I'm bearish. I want to see lower prices here. Nothing. Yeah, like I said, there's no trade here for me. Comfortably, believe that she don't want me. Like the wave. Brand new bag, College girls get in my rap. Like, I wouldn't mind longing here. But, like, the RR would be, like, complete like, here. And, like, this would be, like, the range. Like, I just don't know if I would long this. It just doesn't look... Like, I know we have SMT at the lows. And we're reacting off to this 4-hour low sweep. And this previous daily low sweep. I'll give longs here a small try. I will go, like, super light here, though. Go break even after the blue line's tapped. Alright, so we tapped this. Alright, so now I would honestly go break even. I would trim here. And then go break even. And let's see if we can tap this high. Alright, boom. Beautiful, right? We bought here and then rode it up to this high. Perfect. Bro, I think I found the trading strategy, bro. Holy. I think I found the trading strategy, bro. I would have gone super light here because there was no higher time frame PD array here, right? So it's like, I just wouldn't, I would go super light here. And look at that, we would have literally caught like near the bottom and it just rode up towards the upside. That's crazy, bro. Check analytics, perhaps. That could be the case. Alright, we have an 80. There's no fucking way we're this good. I don't believe it. I don't believe this. 80% win rate? 2R? Bro. That's fucking crazy. This is the highest I've ever had. Hold on, I gotta take a picture of this, bro. Hold up. Dude, that's like unbelievably good. Is this the power course? No, this is not the power course, bro. This is completely different. And I don't know why I even try again and again. Like she said, we're just so petting on a lie too slow. Hold up. No, Johnny didn't teach me this model. I kind of did it myself, honestly. Oh, honestly, I'll show you guys a snippet of his videos really quick. Just so you guys know what you guys are buying. I'll show you guys a snippet of like Powell's things. It's like okay. It's nothing like crazy. I'm not gonna lie. It's nothing crazy. It's nothing crazy. It's just like, I'll show you a snippet. I have like it downloaded low key. Hold up. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Like Powell's videos, they're just honestly, they're just there. Like, here's like a top-down analysis video that he made.
Right. While that other video is uploading, we swept the APIs, we swept. Then what else I look for? Lows.
It's just like it's just like.
And then the yellow one is 10 a.m. 5-minute months. But you guys already have like the daily.
Like, it's just a lot of him talking, honestly, bro. Fuck, bro. Like, I just couldn't watch it, bro. I literally couldn't watch it. It was just so fucking boring. No offense. No offense. No offense. Damn, they're calling you broke? No, they're not calling me broke, bro. They're not calling me broke. Just silly girl. But Powell is definitely overrated as fuck, low key. But like, well, like, it's like you don't even need half the shit he's telling you, bro. I'll become a mentor. Fuck it. I heard doctors cheat a lot, to be honest with you. Yeah, bro. I literally, bro. Hold on. Let's keep going. Actually, this is like this is actually crazy to me, chat. All right, so go here. I would be bullish bias still. Daily still bullish. I would like to see longs form here, chat. So first, I mark out the opening price right here. We're in a premium, right? But I'm bullish. So it's like, are we really looking for shorts or longs? Nah. I would be looking for shorts here, honestly, because we're in a deep premium. See what happens here. I'll let the first 15-minute candle play out, by the way. So right now, I just don't know if I would take this yet. I would wait here. I want to see a reaction here first. So right now we're just waiting. If I'm bearish, I want to see like price action. Give me here something. I'm not looking to short this just yet. No, I'm not looking to short just yet. Plus, this does look like this is CPI, by the way. I wouldn't take this just yet. There's no SMT here. All right, perfect. Okay, so right here we do have SMT at the highs now, right? With SMT at the highs, ES is in this 15-minute fair value gap. We just swept out the CRT high. Shorts here don't look bad. I'll look to target this low. 3R, which is slightly above this high, and I'm taking profits or I'm taking like half off at this low. Let's see what happens here. We could get stopped out. Who knows? All right, we get stopped out here. All right, it's all good. We get stopped out. Let's see what happens here, though. Yeah, so it does play. It kind of plays out here. It was just very choppy. Unfortunate. Next day. What's the account balance on the funded? It's like I'm down, honestly. I'm down on the funded account, to be honest with you. Our lives. Let's keep going. Actually, hold up. So going on the daily time frame, I'm still bullish, right? I'm still bullish. We have a bullish fair value gap here, still respecting. So I want to see longs here, right? So then I mark out the midnight opening, which is this low. So now I'm bullish bias, but we're in a deep premium. So am I like really gonna like look for longs in a premium? Nah. We just wait. We let the first 15-minute candle play out. All right, so now we have our range here, right? We have our range high and our range low. So now we just wait. I see you with another dude. He said he was pretty cool. Like right here, I wouldn't mind shorts here. I wouldn't mind shorts here. No, I wouldn't take it. I wouldn't take it. Even though it works, I wouldn't take it. Think that you are better now. Okay, so right here, I would take this. We have SMT here. Sweep. I'm looking for 50% mark of this range. We have SMT at the highs. I'm targeting this low. And I'm targeting 3R here. I promise, I swear to you I'll be okay. You're only the love of my life. Love of my life. Look at that, we nearly caught the top. So we would trim here. 50% mark trim, because we tap 50% mark of this candle's range, right? So 50% mark trim, break even, and let's see if we can get this low. All right, no, we don't get that low. Yeah, okay, so we do get the low. It just would have stopped me out of break even, and then it dumps, right? So that's all good. This could be the new model. This could be it. Catching tops, catching bottoms. I think I might be him now. Double click the swing. Oh, okay. I'll do that. Yeah. Yeah, but like I said, I was bullish biased, but like it just we were in deep premium, so I just didn't like it at all, to be honest with you. Like what is it? Like let's say we're bullish, but we're below, or if we're bullish and we're above the midnight opening, are you guys still looking for longs? That's the real question. CRT is candle range theory. Ever since I was a kid. No, I like to make it a cheeseburger. What is midnight open? Midnight opening is basically just midnight opening is basically just like the opening price. Hold on, let me text the trading group chat in Johnny's Discord. I have a question. Let's say I'm bullish, but we are above the midnight opening price. Are we still looking for longs, or are we looking for shorts? Let's see what happens. Hey, yeah, hey. I know I'm missing quarters. Oh, perhaps. Let's go again. All right, let's go on the daily again. We're bullish, right? We have a bullish for value gaps. I'm looking for trends. I'm looking for longs, right? So now I mark at the midnight opening. Boom. If I'm bullish and we're above the midnight opening, it just doesn't please me. It just doesn't please me. So right now I would like to see like price come back down. We're tapped the midnight opening here. Tied it all her body, yeah, yeah. Timeless, yeah, yeah. I'm not taking it yet. I wouldn't take longs just fucking yet. Oh shoot, I missed my entry. I would have longed down here. I missed my entry, bro. I missed the entry. I missed the fucking entry, bro. I missed the fucking entry, bro. Like right here. Wait. Let it breathe. No, actually, I didn't miss it. I would have taken it. I would have taken it. That's on me. My bad. I didn't mean to yell. That's on me. I would have taken it. Well, longs here did look good, though. Yeah. Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. All over her body, yeah. That long? It's like 10:15. I've been legit on that. Let it all be funny. You wanna all tied it all her body, yeah, yeah. I'm not. Because I'm not live trading Asia. Fuck that. Alright, so right here, I'm bullish bias still. So then I drop down to the hourly. If I'm bullish, I want to be buying below the discount and premium, right? So this is right here. Perfect. 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 Now, I want to see the first 15-minute candle play out. Boom. Alright, so now I'm still bullish, right? Let's see what happens here. Yeah. Fuck. Wow. We have lots of unfilled gaps, though, on 15-minute. I just wouldn't take it. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those condoms. I'm way too numb, yeah. Alright, actually, I would long this. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the hybrid. Throw it to the side, yeah. Wait, no, actually, the next 15-minute count is about to open up, so I'll wait here. You throw it to the side, yeah. Alright, I would long here, right? We sweep at this low. We have SMT at these lows also. We're below midnight opening. Longs here. Candle closure. We always wait for the candle closure. And then boom. Target this high. 50% mark of this range. And then do 3R. She bought plenty of Dini. We at the top though. Oh no, I can't fuck with y'all. Can I? Because honestly, right here, I would be a bit concerned. Honestly, I would be a bit concerned because we did close below this low. But on ES, we didn't. So right now, I'm like, it's like kind of a cushion, but we'll see what happens here. Oh, I don't know. Let's see what happens. This is not my draw on liquidity anymore. Like right here, this is my draw. But it's like my break-even point. So it's like, this trade's already looking very bad for me. This trade's already very bad for me. Like this would be my break-even point. This trade's already really bad. Yeah, no, this trade was already bad, bro. This trade's already really bad for me. I already realized it. I should have just got out, but I guess I got greedy for sure. I guess. But that was just a very bad trade. Because I predicted that this candle was going to close within this range, right? But we end up breaking below, so then I'm like, fuck. It doesn't look the best anymore. Like right here, we have SMT here again. Dead pussy and die for Peter Pie, go pick a pepper, so I can say, hey, I'll hop forever. I'll relong this. No, actually, this range is super small. I just wouldn't do it. Excuse us every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those condoms. I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I would long here, but I already missed the entry. Yeah, my entry would be around here, actually. So I would go ahead and long this. I get those goosebumps every time. This is like my target. Oh. Wait. I'm lost. No, I wouldn't long just yet. Alright, now I would long. Sweep. I didn't realize we took out that high. I would long here. Stops at 3R. Place order. Market. See what happens. And then 50% mark of this range. This is what that jungle do. It wasn't you. Boom. 50% mark. Caught the bottom. Brought it up to 50% mark of the range. Boom. Trim. Yeah, on the back, have to skip the line though. I'm gonna keep that shit a stack. And then run it to, and then let my boom. Why is bro buying at a bearish closing candle at the is that pretty play? So for turtle soups, you want it to break the low, right? And then you buy off the low. That's what a lot of people like. They tell you that. You know how people say buy the lows, don't sell below the lows. You want to buy the lows and sell above the highs. That's basically your turtle soup. But you just gotta know like the time ranges and all this shit. And guess what? I'm literally just staying on the 15-minute time frame. That's literally all that is. This. Like beautiful. Bought the low, beautiful. Let him have it. Have you ever seen it semi-automatic? Oh. Huh? This is what that jungle do. This is what that jungle do. You been plotting, or wasn't you? Make it rain down hard. Like you just have to like be very patient with this strategy, bro. Very fucking patient. That's for sure. This is what that jungle do. This is what that jungle do. You been a monster. Guys, DoorDash is busy, bro. DoorDash is busy, bro. I might go DoorDash. Alright, basically the strategy. Okay, I'm gonna break it down. Basically, look at the daily time frame. Do you have bearish or bullish order flow? Right now, the order flow is bullish, right? We have bullish fair value gaps. And it has to be the most recent leg. Now, go on the hourly. Mark out the midnight opening, which is 0800. If we're bullish, you want to be buying below the opening price or the true day open. And if you're bearish, you want to be selling above, right? But we're bullish, right? So I want to see price come back down and then push higher price, right? So first, you let the first 15-minute candle play. Okay, perfect. Now we're below the 15-minute, or we're below the opening price, right? So now we're waiting for, this is our next CRT range. So look how, this is our CRT range from this high to this low, right? We sweep out the low. We have SMT divergence between ES and Q. Now, we're still technically respecting this 15-minute fair value gap, right? We didn't break below it, right? So that's also good. And technically, we have a 15-minute order block here. This is our Model 1 order block. Model 1. So, like, longs here don't look bad, right? So, you want to buy below the low, right? Technically. But I usually like to wait for candle closure, right? So, boom. Long this. And then target is this high, but you want to target 3R, right? Enigma Core Trader. Best of luck to your encounter contrariations. Wait, contrations regardless of what you trade. Wishing you the best. Thank you, brother. Thank you, bro. Now, you want to mark out the CRT range, right? Which is here. You want to take profits at 50% mark of this range. Now, place order. Boom. Okay, so let's see what happens. And guess what? It can go down a bit more if it wants to. But the thing is, we have a 3R ratio. So I want to see a break. I want to see a trim at 50% mark of this range, and then target this high. Boom! Turtle soup the low. Boom! 50% mark. Trim. Go break even. Target this high. By the way, we do have SMT at the highs right here. We might get stopped at a break even here. Or not. Boo! Have you ever tried using other tools that gives you an edge kill like Dom? I thought about using Dom though. I have. But I just never got into it. It's just a lot to learn for Dom. We're turtle souping the lows and buying the highs. Alright. I think we might have made it. Okay, that was my last trade. No, this is the 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. That was my last trade. Let's go ahead and look here. Let's look at the analytics. 70%, 75% win rate. At 2R. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. How many trades? Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 16 trades. 16 trades. I don't know why it doesn't tell me how many trades I took, but 16 trades. I still trying even though I know I'm gonna fail. Oh, wait. Yeah, 16 trades. Show one more example. One more. Okay, last one. Last example. Last example. All right, last example. Smoke up from depression. You use my past and my memory as a weapon. All the other lies I'll talk to addiction. What I'm missing. This can't be real as a fiction. I cry off my hope till they listen. This is the part where I tell you I'm fine, but I'm lying. Alright, so obviously look at the daily bias. I'm bullish. We have bullish order flow. So now I go on the hourly time chart. Now I'll mark at the midnight opening, right? Let's mark at midnight opening. So if we're bullish bias, and we're in a premium of this range, I'm not going to be looking this long, right? I'm going to wait for the 50 first. First of all, you want to wait for the first 15-minute candle to print, right? So look at that. We're displacing higher. I'm bullish bias, but we are in a premium. So this is kind of iffy. This right here is kind of iffy. So right here, I honestly wouldn't know what to fucking do. So that could be that could be a possibility, right? So right now we're just waiting. There's nothing here I would take. This is the dealing range right now. We could long this, but it looks like we might close here. Touch my pain with no wishes and no wishing well. Still no luck. Alright, I would long here. And then target this 50% mark of this range. Yes, we might not be buying below midnight here, which is kind of iffy, but we have a dealing range here, right? So that's could be a case too. Let's go and place order. And take 50% mark, take like half off at this 50% mark line. Because right here we have SMT and we just CRT this low. And we don't, and then the higher time for PD rate I see right now is this order block. We tap 50% mark of this order block, so I'm anticipating higher prices here also. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so we get stopped out here. Alright, we just wait. Right now I would wait. Wait for discount. Let's see what happens. I would not. I would wait here. Like I would like to long here. We're in a discount. Like longs here don't look bad. The only problem is that there's no higher time frame PD array. Nah, I can't long this. Yeah, no, I should be done trade for the day. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. Like, see, like longs here literally would have caught the top or the bottom, but like it just did not look good to me, bro, at all. Let's keep one more. Last trade. Last trade. Bullish order flow. Looking for longs. Mark at the opening price. We're already balanced. Looking at the hourly, we're already balanced here. So I don't want to see price come back down to the 50%. I don't want to see price come back down to discount. Let's see what happens here. Just let the first 15-minute candle play out. Okay, so price is coming back down here, which is not ideal, but it's fine. Don't even wet. Don't even wet. All right, so right here, we do have SMT at the lows inside of a 15-minute PD array. We have a sweep here. We could look to buy this. Plus, we're below the opening price. So I'm going to go ahead and buy this candle. And then target 50% mark of this range. And then go for a 3R here. My young is heartless, so they ain't playing no games. They really want them dead and in a close range. All right, boom. Like I said, bought the low here. You just gotta have like confidence. You just gotta have confidence buying the low, bro. Cause that's low key scary. Buying the low is scary, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like buying lows and selling above highs, it's honestly scary as fuck. If I'm being completely honest with you. So it's like you just gotta have confidence. Now I would trim 50% mark here, and then like go break even, and then look to target this high. We might get stopped out of break even though. Yeah, we get stopped out of break even here, which is fine. Yeah, so we would have got stopped out if we held it. If we just So like I said, 50% mark is almost guaranteed. They really want him dead. How did I get in a close range? But like I said, we took profits anyways. So like I said, that's what I've been doing, just finding consistency. But yeah, other than that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the live stream here and start door dashing like a good boy. But yeah, other than that, I will catch you guys all tomorrow, hopefully. Wait, you took 50% off your position, then you let half your profit fade away. Why are you not trailing slow? I could trail. You're right, I could trail. But it's fine. Yeah, like I take my positions off. I take some of my positions off at 50% mark of the range. But yeah, hopefully I can keep this up. And yeah, other than that, I will catch you guys all tomorrow.